Hi friends, this is Pyramid Classes and I am your math instructor Mamta Moore. Today we are going to solve the problem based on the trigonometric ratio of specific degrees. Okay, in the previous video we have calculated the trigonometric ratios of the specific degrees. In this video we are going to we obtain a trigonometric table. This trigonometric table which contains sine, cosine, tan, cosec, sec and cot, and degrees are 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. And on the basis of this table we are using this table to solve some problems. Okay, let's see the problem. First we have to calculate the value of sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60 degree. We have written the right hand side sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. Using the trigonometric table we know that sine 60 degree is under root 3 by 2, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 and sine 30 is 1 by 2 and cos 60 is 1 by 2. We will put all this value in this trigonometric equation. Okay, in place of this trigonometric equation, sine 60 is root 3 by 2, cos 30 is root 3 by 2, plus is plus, sine 30 1 by 2, cos 30 1 by 2. Now we will going to simplify it. Root 3 into root 3 will be 3, 2 into 2 will be 4. So we get 3 by 4 here, plus 1 into 1 will be 1 and 2 into 2 will be 4. So we get 3 by 4 and 1 by 4. These are like fraction, denominator are same, so we can add the numerator directly. 3 plus 1 will be 4. 4 by 4 is 1. So the value of this trigonometric equation will be 1. Okay. Let's practice some more problem. Now we have to calculate 2 tan square of 45 degree plus cos square of 30 degree minus sine square of 60 degree. If we are having this square in the trigonometric equation, don't worry. We will put the value of the basic trigonometric using the basic trigonometric table, and we will going to square that value only. Okay, as we know that by trigonometric table tan 45 is 1, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2 and sine 60 is under root 3 by 2. So we will put here 2 times of 1 square plus under root 3 whole square minus under root 3 whole square. We substitute and we simplify it. 2 into 1 will be 2, root 3 by 2 square will be 3 by 4 and root 3 by 2 square will be 3 by 4. Plus 3 by 4 minus 3 by 4 cancel out and we remain with the value 2. So the value of this trigonometric equation will be 2. Okay. Now let's see some more problems. 5 times of cos square of 60. Same way we are putting the basic trigonometric values and we will going to square. By trigonometric table we know that what we will going to get 5 in place of 5 cos 60 is 1 by 2 and it's a square. 4 plus 4 will be plus 4, cosec 30 will be 2 by under root 3 whole square minus tan 45 is 1 and we will put a square. Cos sine by sine 30 will be 1 by 2 whole square plus cos 30 will be under root 3 by 2 whole square, and now we will simplify it. It will be 1 by 2 square will be 1 by 4, so if we get 5 by 4 here, 2 by under root 3 whole square will be 4 by 3 and 4 by 3 into 4 will be 16 by 3 minus 1 and this will be 1 by 2 plus 3 by 4. Okay, now we here in the denominator we have a like fraction. We simply add the numerator. 3 plus 1 will be 4, 4 by 4 will be 1. Here they are unlike fractions, so we take out the LCM. It will be 4 and 3 LCM will be 12 and 3 will multiply with 5 will 15 and 16 will multiply with 4, that will be 64. 15 plus 64 will be 79 by 12 minus 1 and here 4 by 4 will be 1. On taking out LCM, 79 minus 12 by 12, that will be 67 by 12. So the value of this trigonometric equation will be 67 by 12. Let's see some more problem. Tan 30 simply we are taking the given equation and we will put the value here. Tan 30 will be 1 by under root 3, so 2 into 1 by under root 3 minus divided by 1 minus 1 by under root 3 whole square. On squaring 1 by under root 3 we get 1 by 3. So 2 by under root of 3 minus 1 by 3, take it out LCM, 3 minus 1 by 3 here, because there is no multiplication or addition subtraction in numerator, so we will keep it as same, and 3 by 2 3 minus 1 will be 2 by 3. On converting this fraction division into multiplication, we are reversing this fraction, so it will be 3 by 2. 2 and 2 cancel, under root 3 and 3 can be written as under root 3 into 3, 1 root 3 cancel, and we will remain with the value under root 3. Hence the value of the given equation will be under root 3. See one more problem. If tan a plus b is under root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by under root of 3, and the value of their sum is less than equals to 90 degree and greater than 0, and the value of a is always greater than b, we need to calculate the value of a and b. We simply take what is given. We have given tan a plus b is under root 3 and tan a minus b is 1 by under root 3. By trigonometric table, we know that under root 3 we get when tan is 60 degree, and 1 by under root 3 we will going to get when tan is equals to 30 degree. So we put it. See, tangent of a plus b is equals to tangent of 60 degree, tangent of a minus b is equals to tangent of 30 degree. So this trigonometric ratio will be equal if the angles are equals. Okay, so a plus b must be 60 degree, a minus b must be 30 degree. We have given it equation 1 and 2. On adding equation 1 and 2, if we are going to add here, a plus a will be 2a, plus b minus b will be cancel out, 60 plus 30 will be 90, and 2 times of a is equals to 90, so a will be 90 by 2, that is 45 degree, and we will going to put in any of these equation. Suppose I am taking the equation number first, and we are putting the value here a as 45. When this 45 move from left to right, it will become minus 45, so b will be 60 minus 45 degree, that will be 15 degree. Thus the value of a is 45 degree and value of b is 15 degree. We can see that their sum will be going to be 60 degree, which is less than equals to 90, and the value of a is greater than b. Okay, now some MCQs. We need to say true and false and justify our answers. Sine a plus b is equals to sine a and sine b. Suppose we have taken a is equals to 30 degree, b is equals to 60 degree. So a plus b will be 30 plus 60 is 90. Now we are taking left and right hand side and check whether their values are equal or not. I am taking first right hand side sine a and sine b, that is sine 30 plus sine 60. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 plus sine 30 is under root 3 by 2, and sine a plus b, that is 30 plus 60 is 90, which is 1. We can see here left hand side is not equal to right hand side, therefore this statement will be false. For the value of sine theta increases with increase in theta. We are just taking the column of sine theta. For our trigonometric table, we can see here the value of sine theta increases from 0 to half to 1 by under root 3 by under root 3 by 2 to 1. So the value of sine theta is increases with the value of theta. Hence our statement is true. The value of cos theta increases with increase in theta. We can see by trigonometric table, sin cos 0 is 1, cos 30 is under root 3 by 2, cos 45 is 1 by under root 2, cos 60 is 1 by 2, and cos 90 is 0. So the value decreases from 1 to 0. So it decreases with increase in theta. Thus our statement is false. And by comparing the same table, we can see that sin theta is equal. We have to need to check whether sin theta is equals to cos theta for all value of theta. But from the table, it is clear the value of sin theta is equals to cos theta is only applicable for 45 degree, but not for all values. So this statement is false. Cot A is not defined at A is equals to 0 degree. We know that cot A is cos A by sin A, putting 0 in place of A. So cot 0 is cos 0 by sin 0, and cos 0 is 1 and sin 0 is 0, which is undefined or infinity. Hence this statement will be true. Okay, thank you for watching my video. Please do like, share and comment for improvement, and subscribe my channel for further notification. Please don't forget to press notification bell so that we will be continue with the chapter Introduction to Trigonometric. Okay, thank you.